In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the default username and password for your Belkin router. Begin by checking the label located on the back or bottom of your router. This sticker contains a lot of important information about your router. Look for a section called Router Login or something similar. By default, both the username and password are set to admin. You'll need to input this login information on the router's login page. If the login details aren't found on the label, you can try using admin for both the username and password. At times, the login information could be wrong. In this case, you must reset the router to the factory settings. If you want a complete guide on how to reset your Belkin to factory settings, take a look at my other video, and then try to enter again. It will definitely help you. After resetting the router to its factory settings, you'll need to set it up again. Check the video description for a tutorial on how to do that. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and drop a comment.